Question number 18. The magnetic potential energy is to of a certain inductor is 25 millijoule when the current in the inductor is 60 milliampere. This inductor is of inductance option 1 0.138 H henries, option 2 138.88 H henries, option 3 13.89 Henry, option 4 1.389 Henry. So a formula for energy stored in an inductor is U equal to 1 upon 2 into Li square. So we have been given U, which is energy, which is 25 millijoule. When we convert it into joules, it will be 25 into 10 to the power minus 3. And we have to find L, which is inductance. So 1 upon 2 into inductance into, and we have been given current in milliampere. We are converting it into amperes. So 60 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 and its whole square. After substituting the values, we can say that L is equal to 25 into 2 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 3600, which will give us L equal to 500 upon 36, and in decimals it will be 13.89 henries. So correct answer is option number 3, 13.89 Henry.